Hello everybody. Today we will see the drawing methods which we will use for all the commands, and for this we will get the help of line command. In this video, first of all, we will finish the draw toolbar. The first command of this toolbar is line. There are 5 different drawing methods. Some of these are in polar coordinate system. Some of them are in Cartesian coordinate system. Mostly we will use polar system. To study Cartesian is really hard. To be able to open polar coordination, it is needed to open dynamic input. Dynamic input must be on bottom right hand corner if there is no customization and dynamic input are opened. As you see, on the bottom right hand corner, a symbol having cross and blue light is brought. Shortcut is F12. The button F12 opens and closes it. If the commands here is active, blue light is on. We can reach the line command from both draw toolbar or draw interface. By keyboarding line, press the button enter, or just by writing L, press enter. Keyboard L and press enter. First point, we can see it from the command line below. My advice to you is to use this command line below until you practice enough. What the program says now: enter the first point, select a random point. In the second point, we will keyboard 30,0 to be able to draw 34x, 0 for y. Look at the command line below. It is asking next point. The point where I am now is perceived as 0, 0. So keyboard 0, 50. Below you can see next point, or close and exit and undo on the command line. For being able to enter the command, it is enough to enter capital C, letter for close, X for exit, and U for undo. For close, keyboard C and enter. Close connects the first point with the last point. I keyboard C and press enter, and the drawing is completed. This was the first method. What have we done? First point 30,0, then 0,50, then minus 30,0 and C and enter. Let's repeat. Select line from toolbar, click somewhere randomly. Now don't touch the mouse you have. 30,0, then 0,50, then minus 30,0 and minus 100,100. Now we draw wrong. To take it back, we will write undo, but it is enough to write U. And we take the last drawing I have drawn back, and now I'm writing 0.-50. To exit from the command, press escape or space or X. It's keyboarded. The first method is completed. The second method is to draw with angle, L, and enter. Choose the first point. Now I will draw with angle. Don't forget I'm not using the mouse. $30 and less than sign and 0 and enter. Then 50 and less than sign, 90, enter. Then 30 and less than sign, 180. Then 50 and less than sign and 270 and escape. It was the drawing with angle method. The third drawing method is with line, but this time I will use mouse. For this I keyboard line and enter. Then I will open ORTHO with F8. When you open ORTHO, we can just draw in the axis of X and Y. When the blue light is on, we must understand that it is active. Yeah, as you see, now I'm pulling the mouse rightward and keyboarding 30, and then pulling upward and keyboarding 50, pulling leftward and keyboarding 30, and then press enter. I put the mouse downwards and I keyboarded 50, and then keyboarded 50 and press enter and space. What happens if ORTHO is not opened? Let's try and watch. was seen as if it was drawn, the details are failed, as you see in here. Because it is too hard to fix the mouse in the axis of X and Y. How can we do drawing in Cartesian system? Let's close dynamic input by F12. Press line. Let's repeat the processes we have done before. Let's choose first point and then let's keyboard 30,0. Look, we couldn't draw as we want. It went to its own coordinate system, not to ours. If we want to have right drawings, we will use Autocad's coordinate system. L and enter, then we will write 100, 100 for the first point, not randomly we selected. For the second point, we will write 130, 100. Let's watch remaining behind. If we don't want to add up at is written, enter line, first point 100, 100, second point at minus 30, 0. Let's watch. Hope to see you and meet for the next lectures. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.